Make sure to set your strategy docs and the agents to read from them rather than building the complexity of the strategy doc into the agents. A couple of my favorite ones, the sales conversion analyzer that listens to every single sales conversation, tells us where we won the sale, where we lost the sale, and what to do better next time. All happens automatically. And the hot leads alert system that identifies the high ticket buyers as they're coming onto our list, so that we notifies the sales team over on Slack so that we can focus on what we call the platinum leads and not allow the automations to handle the unqualified leads. Don't start building agents. Start by looking at the overview. So zoom up to the 30,000 foot view. Design and look at the overall company, all of the divisions and how different divisions interact with each other. Then ideate all of the agents within each of those divisions and then build the agents that solve for your bottlenecks. So there is 0 point in building an agent that optimizes client onboarding if you have a top of funnel lead generation issue. You're solving for the wrong problem. So to make sure that you're building the agents that solve for the right problem. Yeah, so absolute avid fan of Claude Cowork, also Manus, and we build all of our agents using a platform called Lindy. I think the opportunity for those who are open to it is absolutely wild. And there is, yes, there's the whole humanity, what's going to happen to jobs, people, etc., etc. But it's a survival of the fittest as well. So if you are able to jump into it and find yourself a niche within this whole brand new AI world, you will survive and thrive. If you stay stuck and, oh, this isn't for me, this is terrible, woe is me, then you'll become the latter, you know. So they'll be able to understand how having the foundational asset inside their company that is a diagnostic assessment will actually catapult the success of their agents. So having that, the data flowing into the company, that's a monetizable asset, and then having agents that are working from both marketing, sales, strategic advisory and operations point of view will allow them to 10x their company. Well, every single training in here is by somebody that I really respect and admire. And I myself am so excited to watch all of the other trainings because all it takes is one single sentence, one point of view, or one-liner, and it absolutely opens up a whole world of possibility. So whenever you're in this summit and you're going to get to hear from people who are in the trenches doing this, they're working on it, they're actually living it, you're going to get that one-liner, that one piece of insight that changes the rest of your life.